Hi everyone, so today I'll be talking about our project called TaskMaster. This project was done by me, Bhavar Mistry, Arif Faysal, Hiba Alashraf, Magdalena Naldo. So, what is TaskMaster? TaskMaster is a helpful tool for people who need assistance with difficult but everyday tasks. Our objective is to provide peace of mind, security, and pleasure to our most valued users. So, why use TaskMaster? Point number one, people spend more time working and taking care of their families or have other important tasks that they don't have the time to properly maintain their yards. Point number two, big institutions or organizations such as colleges or universities don't have the manpower to help in maintaining the school grounds, classrooms, and etc. Point number three, some people who have disabilities are unable to take care of their yards. Point number four, most of the times people are lazy and they don't know how to take care of their yards. So what are the opportunities for Taskmaster? Number one, it's a platform for users and workers. People can use the app to hire a service of the app, or they can also use the app to offer a service. Number two, quickly hire proficient workers. With the help of our app, customers can hire someone through the app for a same-day service or even set a schedule for whenever they may need it. Number three, location-based quick service. Our app will connect to the people who are near the area for a quick response, just like Uber. Number four, affordable prices. Customers can choose the price they're willing to pay. So, what services are offering in our Taskmaster app? So, in our app, we offer a variety of categories to select from, such as lawn mowing, gardening, ice cleaning, and etc. Under each of these categories, we offer different services such as hire workers, a cost calculator, a quick service, which is like a same-day service, a work stream, and a suggestions and blogs page. So who's the target audience for Taskmaster? Number one, single moms. The reason we go with single moms is because they are too busy taking care of their kids and they're too busy working also at the same time that they're unable to take care of their yards. Number two, old couples. For old couples, they are unable to do the physical labor in taking care of a yard. Number three, people with disabilities. I said earlier, people with disabilities are unable to do their yard work. Number four, busy people. These are people who are like too busy with work or they're busy traveling. They don't have the time to take care of the yard. Number five, highly maintainable institutions or organizations. So just like colleges and universities or big businesses, they don't have enough manpower to take care of their grounds or their classrooms, etc.
Hello, my name is Arif Faysal and I'll be walking you through our app TaskMaster. This is our login page and any user can provide the login credential to log in, or any new users can register on the register page. When they log in, they are redirected to work categories page, but this is our home page. And for navigation, at the top left corner we have the back button. To the top right corner we have the side menu. At the bottom we have the bottom navigation. Coming back to the home for searching anything throughout our app, for chatting, and also user's profile. Now let's take a look what are the work categories. From the home page, the user can select any of the work categories and they will be redirected to the services page. Currently Taskmaster offers 5 services and let's take a look at them one by one. First of all, we have the hire workers. List of workers near the user's location is presented on this page and they are ordered on the ratings. The user can take a look at the worker details, and this detail page will hold also additional informations and reviews and ratings. The user can directly message this worker or set a schedule. In the schedule or contract page, the user can select any date and he can also select any time. In addition to that, The user can also provide any image related to the work, as well as some special instructions for the worker to follow. Here's the payment page, and on the payment page some basic informations related to the work, and the costing is shown here. User can confirm the whole task, and it's placed on a queue. During the scheduled time, the user will receive a push notification in the app. The user can view this notification, and he will see this work progress page. All the actions or the events that are going to be happening will be represented from this page. So from the work progress, as you can see, there's a page of arrival, a stage of arrival, and some basic information about the arrival, that the worker is on his way. Then the setup page, the worker is setting up his equipments for the work to be done. The worker has started doing his work, and after completing, this page will be shown. From here, the user can go to the payment and review everything, select any payment options, and make the payment. Our next app's feature is quick services. The quick services works similar to hire workers. Only difference is the service is on the current date. Here the user can select the time and provide a request for that. Then they are redirected to the payment options page, confirm the quick service. You can also view the status from this page. For our next service, we have the work stream. This work stream takes an email and a code, and this code is received by the user when they place any task confirmation or any task to be done. So if they provide the code over here, they can view the task live, because any worker working on the task will set up a camera for live casting this work. Let's take a look at our last but not least feature, which is suggestions. And here the user will see categorized suggestions and tips and tricks. They can also view more about the article and get more information. So that's everything about our app, TaskMaster. Thank you very much.